Hi, y'all. It's Beth again. Welcome to week three. Week three, we're going to build on the skills that we developed in week two. Week two, last week, we did summaries, where I asked you to look very closely at an article by your chosen columnist, summarize it objectively, and then to give your reaction to it. This week, I want you to look at another column by your author, not the same one, a different one. If you want to change, that's fine with me. Let me know, of course. But then I want you to look at it very, very carefully to see exactly how that author is creating his or her argument and what you think about it. Is this something you want to adopt for yourself or not? You'll see my resources here. I've got paraphrasing, I've gotten avoiding plagiarism, because that's what we're talking about. How to use other people's ideas and words without plagiarizing ourselves. In the activities here, you'll see we do not have a forum this week. Nothing is due on Wednesday. Enjoy your Wednesday. Go get ice cream, go get pizza. But on Friday, what I'm asking you to do is a paraphrasing exercise. You'll look here, I've got complete details here. I've got 5 sentences, quotations that I want you to paraphrase. Sounds simple, but I want you to spend time looking at them, seeing how do you transmit another author's words without plagiarizing. Then I have a close reading exercise here where I am asking you to look very carefully. I've given you the assignment itself and then also an example for you. So I'd like you to look at these. If you have any questions, please let me know. We're just looking right now to see how other people do things. Then we're going to do them ourselves. Have a good week. Talk to you soon.